Anytime now, final race. Gates open, that up and racing. We have entry number 4, Touch of Class, draws for your lead. Madame Leonora is right behind in second. Then running on the outside is Stellar Ace. Moving up is Brown Baby. Running on the outside, Carmelita by the rail. Chuchinelli, Elgin comes next. Then running on the outside, Fearless. Running by the rail is Strike Force. Sprints Carlo, and trailing the group is Teritoon. Heading towards the last 600, we have Touch of Class in command. Madame Leonora now moving up on the outside and racing in third. Brown Baby as they race towards the last 450. Touch of Class still leading the field. Madame Leonora is on the outside. Brown Baby, Stellar Ace moving up on the outside in fourth. Then comes Elgin Chuchinelli as they come up to the last 200. Touch of Class still leading the field. Madame Leonora remains in second on the outside. Touch of Class, Madame Leonora still in second. Is Stellar Ace moving up on the outside, but Touch of Class doing it from start to finish. Second, number 8, Madame Leonora. Then comes Stellar Ace, number 9, Chuchinelli, Elgin, and Teritoon for your Super Sais.